Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Big Sweep. Let's jump into day one of our 5-day fall deep cleaning series. As the leaves turn golden and the air becomes crisp, a sense of change settles upon us. Fall is not just a change in season, it's a time for renewal, a chance to shed the old and embrace the new. Just as nature sheds its leaves, we too can shed the clutter and dust accumulated over the summer months. This is the perfect time to embark on a deep clean, a ritual of purification that prepares our homes and our spirits for the cozy months ahead. Deep cleaning in the fall is more than just a chore. It's a therapeutic act. It's a chance to reconnect with our homes, to appreciate the spaces we inhabit, and to imbue them with a sense of order and tranquility. As we cleanse our physical spaces, we also cleanse our mental spaces, creating room for clarity and peace. The process of cleaning can be meditative, allowing us to focus on the present moment and find satisfaction in the transformation we create. A clean home is a healthier home. Dust and allergens accumulate over time, impacting air quality and potentially triggering allergies or respiratory issues. By thoroughly cleaning our homes in the fall, we create a healthier environment for ourselves and our families. Ready to start your fall deep clean? Join us for today and the next 4 days as we guide you through each step. Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any tips and tricks for a spotless home this season. Cleaning can be a meditative and enjoyable experience, especially when accompanied by the right music. Music has the power to transform a mundane chore into an uplifting activity. So before we dive into Zone 1, let's set the mood with some inspiring tunes. Choose music that resonates with you, music that makes you want to move and groove. Upbeat tempos and positive lyrics can boost your energy and make the time fly by. Create a playlist specifically for cleaning, filled with songs that inspire you and make you feel good. As you clean, let the music wash over you, allowing yourself to get lost in the rhythm. Sing along, dance, and let the music fuel your cleaning efforts. Music can create a sense of flow, making the cleaning process feel less like work and more like a playful activity. So, put on your favorite tunes, turn up the volume, and let the music transform your cleaning experience into a joyful celebration. In our previous video, How to Get Ready for Your 5-Day Fall Whole Home Deep Clean, we made a list of all the necessary cleaning products and equipment needed for all 5 days of our deep clean. So let's get right to it. Our deep cleaning journey begins in Zone 1, the living room. This is often the heart of our homes, the space where we gather with loved ones, relax, and unwind. It's important to start here, as a clean and organized living room sets the tone for the rest of the house. Our first step is to clear the space, remove any items that don't belong in the living room, returning them to their proper places. This will give us a clear canvas to work with and make the cleaning process more efficient. Next, we'll address the windows, letting in the natural light and revealing any hidden dust or smudges. With the windows sparkling, we'll move on to dusting. Dusting, a gentle start to transformation. Dusting is more than just removing dirt. It's a gentle act of care, a way of showing appreciation for the objects that fill our homes. As we dust, we reconnect with our belongings, remembering their stories and the joy they bring us. Start by choosing the right tool for the job. A soft microfiber cloth is ideal for dusting most surfaces, as it traps dust effectively without scratching. For delicate items, consider using a soft bristled brush. Start at the highest point in the room, dusting and cleaning any ceiling fans and light fixtures. Remove any glass shades and place them in the dishwasher. Remove any fabric curtains and either wash them or place them in the dryer on air fluff. This will get the dust out of the fabric. Use a clean, dry microfiber mop or broom wrapped with a microfiber cloth to dust the walls, starting at the top. Make sure you dust the baseboards too. Dust any blinds with a clean microfiber duster, or use your preferred method. Dust the tables and any photos and ornaments. With each gentle swipe, we unveil the hidden beauty of our belongings, restoring their shine and vibrancy. Dusting is not just about cleanliness, it's about appreciating the objects that fill our lives and the stories they tell. Vacuuming, unveiling hidden treasures. Vacuuming is more than just removing dirt and debris. It's about unveiling the hidden treasures beneath the surface. It's about restoring the vibrancy of our furniture and carpets and rugs, revealing their true colors and textures. Begin by choosing the right vacuum attachment for the job. For carpets, use the standard power head. For upholstery, use the upholstery tool. For hard-to-reach crevices, use the crevice tool. Start by vacuuming the entire area, working in overlapping strokes to ensure complete coverage. Pay special attention to high-traffic areas and corners where dust and debris tend to accumulate. With each pass, you restore the vibrancy of your living space, creating a sense of renewal and freshness. Make sure you move the furniture so you can get the dust bunnies that have been multiplying beneath the couch. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for the next cleaning day. Let's keep our homes sparkling together. And now, decluttering. Embracing the art of letting go. Decluttering is an essential part of deep cleaning, a process of letting go of what no longer serves us. It's about creating space for what truly matters, both physically and mentally. Start by assessing each item in your living room. Ask yourself, does this item bring me joy? Is it useful? Does it have a designated place? If the answer to any of these questions is no, it may be time to let it go. You can donate items to charity, sell them online, or simply discard them. As you declutter, imagine you are creating space for new possibilities, new experiences, and new joys. With each item you release, you create a sense of lightness and freedom, allowing you to live more fully in the present moment. Maintaining momentum. Fueling the cleaning fire. As we complete Zone 1, it's essential to maintain momentum and fuel the cleaning fire for the days ahead. Deep cleaning can be a challenging task, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Remember the sense of accomplishment you felt as you transformed your living room today. Let that feeling inspire you to continue. Take breaks as needed, allowing yourself to rest and recharge. Cleaning should be an enjoyable experience, not a grueling chore. Listen to your body and your mind, and take breaks when you feel your energy waning. This is not a race. Celebrate your accomplishments no matter how small. Reward yourself with a favorite snack or a bubble bath. Each completed task is a step closer to a cleaner, more organized, and more joyful living space. The journey continues, embracing the days ahead. Our deep cleaning journey has just begun, but we've already made significant progress. We've transformed Zone 1, creating a clean and organized foundation for the rest of our home. Now, as we look ahead to the days to come, let us embrace the journey with renewed energy and enthusiasm. Each day is an opportunity to create positive change in your home and your life. Approach each day with a sense of purpose and mindfulness, focusing on the present moment and the task at hand. Celebrate each small victory and allow yourself to enjoy the process of transformation. Embrace the journey and enjoy the transformative power of a deep clean. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any great content. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us for the next episode of our deep cleaning journey.